What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the MixedSid channel and happy New Year's Eve. And to celebrate the New Year's Eve and to bring in the new year, we're going to create a Cider Apple Old Fashioned. So what you need is your cider apple. We've got Stella Artois, so thank you Just GC for this. Bourbon, because I'm using Jack Daniels for this. And of course your Angostura bitters, and to garnish it, we will be garnishing it with a cinnamon stick and then a slice of apple. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is pour in 60ml or 2 ounces of whiskey. We're using a bourbon. Just to clarify which whiskey we are using for this drink. Next, what you want to do is add in 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And now what you want to do, guys, is just top up with your cider. In this case, apple cider. We're using Stella. There we go. Alright, now give it a good stir. Now the final thing to do, guys, now is garnish it with your slice of apple and your cinnamon stick. And there we have it. And there we have it, one Cider Apple Old Fashioned. How does it taste? Absolutely beautiful. I certainly recommend it. It's a nice warmer drink, that's because it's a little bit different from your traditional old fashioned, of course. But all the same, I've got to say that's quite nice because I do like it. Because I do like my cider myself and bourbon, combine the two, and we have a very nice ingredient in it. We have a very nice cocktail here. Because that is the Apple Cider Old Fashioned to bring in the new year, and hopefully 2021 will be a better year for everyone. Because we may be in tier 4, but we keep going. But that is my final cocktail of the year 2020. Thank you for all your support. You've been absolutely fantastic, and I can not thank you enough for your support, as we're now well over 600 on our way to 1k. You've been fantastic. Hope you all have a fantastic new year, and hopefully it will be a better one for everyone. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, and I will see you in 2021. Happy New Year's.